Good morning, student. Today we'll start our next chapter, The Portrait of a Lady. My grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled. Wrinkled means having lines or folds on your face with the effect of age when you're having lines or folds. For the 20 years that I had known her, people said that she had once been young and pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Okay. And had even had a husband. But that was hard to believe. Okay. My grandmother's portrait. Portrait means painting or picture. Okay. Hung, second form of hang, above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. Mantelpiece, it's a kind of photo frame or a structure of wood, marble, or anything. In the long white beard covered, sorry, in the drawing room, he wore a big turban. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban, okay, and loose fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest, and he looked at least 100 years old. He didn't look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. As for my grandmother being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. Revolting means unpleasant, which is not pleasant, which is not uh, acceptable. Happiness. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child. That seemed quite absurd. Absurd means illogical, which is not having a proper logic. Illogical things. And undignified, disrespectful on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us. Prophets means saints. Now, author talks about his grandmother, and he explained his experience that he had known her for the past 20 years, and she had always been old and wrinkled lines on her face. People used to say, and he was told that she was once young and pretty and had a husband. His grandfather's portrait hung on the wall in the drawing room, in which he wore loose fitted clothes and a turban. Okay. He also appeared very old, around 100, and who could have many grandchildren but not a wife or children. He seems like that. Okay. The author could never imagine that once his grandmother was young and pretty. He could not connect to this idea. She used to tell and his cousins about her childhood memories, like the games she used to play as a child. They found these stories illogical and disrespectful because it was beyond their imagination to think that grandmother was once a child and played such games. They thought that her life stories were like the other moral story which she used to tell them. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent due to age. Her shoulder bent, her body bent up, downside, downward. Her face was a crisscross of wrinkles, crisscross, a pattern of intersecting straight lines, running from everywhere to everywhere. Means her face is full of wrinkles and folds. There are so many lines. No, we were certain she had always been as she had known her. So they don't. The author is not able to believe the fact that once upon a time she was young. Okay. उसको लगता था कि his grandmother is like always as she is now. Okay, old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. She is so old that that oldness is not growing now. She is same. She's having same kind of look, and her appearance didn't change since 20 years. She could never have been the she could never have been pretty, but she was always beautiful. She hovered about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beads of her rosary. Stoop means bend one's body forward. Spotless white means she wore clean white colored dress without plain white colored dress she used to wear. Rosary means a string of beads for keeping count of number of chants made of a religious prayer. Locks means hair. Where we are. Her silver locks. Silver means white color hairs. Okay. But scattered. Scattered means bikhre rehna. Untidily, not managedly, not properly, not neat and clean. Okay. And scattered means disorganized. Over her pale, pale means yellow, puckered face, okay, and her lips constantly move in inaudible prayer. Very silently, he is doing. She keep on praying. She keeps on praying. Yes, she was beautiful. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains, an expanse of pure white serenity, breathing peace and contentment. Contentment, a state of happiness and satisfaction.